Imagine you're an astronaut floating in space. There's no ground beneath your feet, no air blowing through your hair, and you drift when you push away from the spaceship. This happens because of gravity, a fascinating force that gets scientists and kids alike buzzing with curiosity. Gravity is like an invisible glue holding everything close to each other. On Earth, it's the reason apples fall from trees and why we stay firmly on the ground instead of floating off into space. You can think of gravity as the Earth's way of saying, "Hey, stay close to me." But gravity wasn't always understood. Over 300 years ago, a famous scientist named Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree. Legend has it that an apple fell and bonked him on the head. While that story might be just a tale, it led him to think deeply about why the apple fell straight down. Newton realized the same force pulling the apple was keeping the moon in the sky, orbiting the Earth. This idea became what we know as the law of gravity. Newton's law concluded that everything with mass has gravity. This means you, your pet cat, and even your pizza slice have gravity. But bigger things like planets have stronger gravity. The more mass or stuff something has, the greater its pull. And that's why the Earth holds us safely on its surface. Let's imagine for a moment that gravity is like an invisible friend who loves hugs. The more mass something has, the bigger the hug. For example, the sun, being massive, gives the biggest gravitational hugs, keeping Earth and other planets in orbit around it. Gravity isn't just about falling apples, though. It's crucial in keeping our universe the way it is. Without gravity, stars, planets, and even galaxies wouldn't hold together. Isn't it amazing that an invisible force can be so powerful? The next time you drop your pencil or jump and land back on the ground, you'll know it's gravity at work, a magical pull that keeps our world wonderfully organized.